Welcome back to Internet Marvels. This is Michael again, and with this short video, we're going to show our clients how to add a new web page to your website. It's very simple. You have some options. We're going to talk about those, but you can easily add a page to your website. First thing you want to do, again, is go to the bottom and click on the login button. Click on the icon here, and or use the login button sent in your email. It'll take you to your control panel. You want to go down to Tools and click on Site Studio. You want to click Launch Site Studio. She's a little slow today. Okay, now you have your options as usual where you want to go, or you can just go to the sitemap. Now, let's imagine we're going to go to the home page, and we're going to imagine that the About Us 1 and About Us 2 is not there. So we're going to go up to Add a Page, and you have some choices. Some of the web pages are pre-formatted. So you see one right here called About, and then you see one called Generic. So you choose whichever one. You can check out. I'm going to show you a little bit about that right now. So we're going to go back up to the sitemap, and this page here was added using the generic. I click generic and I click next, and it added the page. Now this page here was used using the pre-formatted About. Now you're going to see the differences right here. This is pre-formatted. Now if you click on the generic, you're going to see just like the ones we've been working with. You've got edit paragraphs, you do your paragraphs, you add your paragraphs and your subpages. You click edit and you're going to get your box. You click Rich Editor and you can edit it, etc., etc. Now let's go look at the pre-formatted page. This is the pre-formatted page. And you see down here, it's got About Mary, and then it talks a little bit about Mary. This is, you can format this text any way you want. I didn't do it yet. But if you click edit on the formatted page, you'll see it's already out some box so that you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So say you have the owner and the secretary, or the main installer, or the main caretaker, or whatever you want. You can add the pages, and then each one of them has their own section. You click view up here and you can see what I'm talking about. Now this is Mary, About Mary, and let's say these words are a little bit too small. Really simple to deal with. You go in here and click the Rich Screen Editor. You highlight the font, change it to Arial. We'll change it to 3, and then we'll click Save and Exit. Go to the bottom of the page and click. Don't forget you can add polls, counters, or a guest book. Now we have plenty of everything already. We have some other software for that that's built in. Anyway, don't forget to click Next. So we're going to click Next, and you're going to see that made these words bigger. So each one is individual on these right here. So just a short recap. This is About Us. Okay, let's go back this way. This was the generic setup where we do all the code ourselves in one box. and it's got the editor. And this is the pre-formatted. And it's got boxes already set up to do several people. And you can see the difference. Now when you do add a page, you've got there's a slideshow, flash, internet links, download page, firm profile, contact us. There's all kinds of goodies you can add, even driving directions. That's cool. Contact us page also has a link for driving directions. But you can add whatever you want here. Now, if you do your own HTML, you want to use your own HTML, you won't have all the formatting, and you can drop in anything from anywhere. You can use it if you have another system, if you have a website you're migrating. Okay, now let's go back over here, and we're going to we've added the page. Now the settings, you can't have two web pages with the same name. So this one's called About, and the other one is called Generic. So I'm going to change this file name by clicking I click the Settings button. Now I'm going to contact two. Now anything you put here is the file name, and it will stay that way forever. This is your button text, so you can add your button text. This is your page title, which goes across the top of the page. You can change all the fonts right here. You can change all the colors right here. And here's photos. It's already laid out. You'll see that. Now, for the bottom, the Powered By logo, instead of Powered By, what we've done is we changed this to linked so that you can log into your control panel, because small business owners like to be able to do things fast and easy. So if you're going to add a page, the best thing to do is to first go to the home page, and you're going to see the copyright tag here. Then there's going to be a link for this. Now what I do is I copy those into Notepad right here so that I'll have them available. And then when I add my new page, it's going to say generic whatever or about whatever. I'm going to go here, click on settings. I'm going to go to the bottom, and where it says URL, that's where that bottom link is going to go to. And you don't have to use it to go to your control panel. But you pop it up, you copy this, and then you paste it right into here. Copyright tag, make it whatever you want. Copy it. That way you know you don't have to, there's no redundancy here. All you do is drop it in there, and it's the same on every page. Now for pages you want invisible, that you don't want people to know about, that's just for people that are working in the site but you don't want it immediately accessible, you can build a full web page. Click on Make It Invisible, and the difference is there will not be a link for it here. And there you have it. We added a new page, and once you look at the page you added and you like it, click Publish. And one more thing I'd like to show you. Settings. Your title, your text, your heading, you can change these colors. You can change these fonts and font sizes. You can change the background color. You can upload a background image. You can change all these colors, and you just pretty much have to add images to see which buttons these belong to, which image. And then here's the link colors. You can change those. And as usual, if you click Select Image, you're going to go here. But what's really cool is, say you have an image already there you want to use, Click your gallery, and here's all your images. See, there's Happy Hank. There's Fred. And then you just choose the image you want to put there. We already have it there, so we're going to put that image there, even though it was already there. I just see the images there. Same with all the images. And when you're finished and you like what you see, click Publish. There you have it. Then log out. Thank you very much. It was very nice to see you again. Have a good time, and we'll see you next time.